How to make a fireworm trap. Fireworms are segmented marine worms that look a bit like colorful centipedes. They are extremely aggressive, predatory carnivores that feed on anemones, soft and hard corals, mollusks and small crustaceans. In other words, if fireworms have infested your aquarium, they could do a considerable amount of damage in a very short period of time. Typically, fireworms are introduced into your aquarium by hiding in a piece of live rock, so be sure to inspect any rock prior to placing it in your aquarium. However, if one of the little creatures does manage to sneak in, there is a safe way to remove it. Things you will need: half-inch diameter PVC pipe, 8 to 10 inches long. 2.5-inch PVC pipe caps. Drill. Brine shrimp or squid. Drill a 1/8 to 1/4 inch hole in one of the PVC caps. Place it on one end of your PVC pipe. Make sure it is on tight. Place a few brine shrimp or a few pieces of squid at the other end of the pipe, and cap the end with the other PVC cap. Again, make sure the cap is on tight. Drop the pipe into your aquarium, let it sit overnight and check it in the morning. The fireworm should enter the pipe to retrieve the food and will still be inside. Repeat steps 1 through 3 if you don't trap the fireworm on the first night. Tips: warnings. Inspect any new live rock carefully before placing it into your aquarium. Put your gloves on. Place the rock on a piece of newspaper and examine it closely. You will be able to see the fireworms poking out or crawling around. Remove them with a pair of tweezers. If you are stung by a fireworm and the spines of the worm are stuck in your skin, apply adhesive tape to the sting site and remove them. Apply alcohol to alleviate the pain and call your doctor immediately. Never retrieve fireworms or reach into your tank to retrieve the fireworm trap without wearing gloves. Fireworm stings can irritate your skin and are very painful.